Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of a GlossyBox unboxing. I have been getting so many comments about you guys wanting me to bring back subscription box unboxings and subscription box reviews, etc, etc. So I decided to try a box that is completely new to me. I've never gotten a GlossyBox before, so I went online, bought this, did the whole quiz and everything, did the whole 9, and then we got one of these bad boys in the mail. This is $21 a month, so it's not as cheap as Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but I'm hoping that because it is more expensive that we are gonna get better products in here. Because if not, then that's just a huge waste of money. Anyways, let's just get straight into it because I'm so curious. I've had this box sitting on my desk for like 4 days now, and it's just been staring at me like, hello, when are you gonna open me? When are you gonna open me? I really wanna be open. That was really creepy. I'm sorry. Let's just open this thing. Let's just freaking open it. This is a really nice sturdy box. It's cute. This is really cute. The packaging, the presentation, I love this box. I'm gonna keep this box actually. Like maybe spray paint it silver or something. Or even just keep it pink and put a sticker over this. So that it's not like a advertisement for GlossyBox in my apartment every single day. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is a La Roche-Posay Effaclar Clarifying Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes. No, it doesn't. It just smells like nothing. Not bad. Yeah. I mean, you can never go wrong with a good face, what is this, wipe? You can never go wrong with a face wipe. Like, you just chuck these into your makeup drawer and then like you just use them, you know? Like, you can never go wrong with a face wipe. So next we have this the Ritual of Hammam, a purifying ceremony for body and soul, refreshing foaming shower gel. Wow, okay, that's a big old name. What is this? Foaming shower gel? Let's see about this. Whoa! Whoa, okay. Whoa, that's, wow. Wow. Okay, whoa. Wow. Hi, hello. Whoa, it's like moussey. It's like moussey. Ooh! This smells really nice. Well, this is a weird, it's like, it feels like not, okay. I'm not even describing anything. I'm just saying words. It feels like slime, like the fluffy slime, but not as thick. Like an in-between between like a foaming cleanser and like the foam slime, if that makes sense. Wow. It smells good, like wow. Ooh, this is really cool. Look at this. Okay, so when you rub it in, the foam starts to go away and it's just like blending into your skin. Wait, this is cool. I like this. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick. Oh, you guys, I really like that. I really like that because when I was about to wash it off, like when I turned on the water and started rubbing it in, like washing my hands normally, the product kind of got thicker as it was on my skin, and then like I had to rub it off to get the product off. If that makes sense. Like, I really enjoy a product like that because I notice a lot of times when I use body wash, you get under the water and it just like slips right off. Like this, you had to like rub it off. So I just felt like you were really pressing the product into your skin, like, and it was smooth and soft and moisturizing. I really liked that. I really like that. Okay, next thing we got in here is a Lution Balance My Skin. I love eye contour. Anti-dark circles and puffiness antioxidant. What is this? I think it's an eye cream, but it says eye contour. What? Okay. Yeah, I think it's an eye cream because it just went on like a lotion type. Smells good. It says 65 organic ingredients. Well, that's a lot. We're gonna see if it does anything throughout the video. Let's see. I don't really use eye creams. I'm not really a big believer in them. I feel like if you have a good skincare routine, you put the products you put on the rest of your face, if you make sure to put them on your under eyes, then like you should be fine. But hey, maybe this could change my mind. Change my mind. Okay, next we have it just says Punker on this side. Punker. Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner by Ardency In. I could always use a new eyeliner. Wow, that's black. That's very like precise. Wow, okay. I'm gonna write hello. See, look. Is it backwards for you guys? That's unfortunate. Anyways, that's a really nice black eyeliner. There is no bleeding. No bleeding at all, and it's very black and pigmented, and I could tell there was a lot of product inside. I like that. And then the very last thing in this box is the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Baked Blush in Rose Beige. Oh, this looks like a highlighter, man. This is cute packaging, but this looks like a highlighter. I mean, shoot. That's like low-key a highlighter. It's really chalky. That's not a blush, man. That is a highlight. So I'm just gonna take this Anastasia A23 brush. I've had this brush forever. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. Yeah, this is definitely not a blush because it doesn't show up like a pinky color. It's literally just a glow. So I would not call this a blush. I would call this highlight. It's really pretty though. Like, shoot, she's pretty. She's pretty. Ooh. Hello. Okay, like I would totally use this as a highlight again. I don't have any makeup on right now just because I'm just not really feeling makeup today. Like, I'm just not feeling it. So just the highlighter and the eye cream on and my SPF, of course, is all that I need for today. So don't judge, but this highlighter is very beautiful. Ooh. So overall, I'm pretty darn impressed with this GlossyBox. Like, shoot, I'm very impressed with this. I like everything in this box except for the eye cream. I don't really believe in eye creams, but I'm still gonna use it and try it out and see what it's like and everything. But wow, everything was really nice. All of the products are in good sized portions. Like, none of them are sample packets or like really tiny sample sizes that you're like, I don't even want this. Yeah, I'm pretty darn impressed with GlossyBox. Let me know what you guys think down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on my GlossyBox, and let me know if you guys get GlossyBox. Tell me what you got in your box. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Here's a big shout out to my people. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to put on your post notifications though, because YouTube is playing games. So put on your post notifications and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.